What's up, Trendsetter gang? This is the makeup, the eyeshadow tutorial part 2. And I just put, these are like my mega lashes. I don't even wear these unless I'm like going somewhere. So these, I took these out the trunk because these are like, I don't touch these unless I'm about to really go there. So I have different lashes. I got work lashes when I do the lashes. I haven't been doing any makeup because I do give my face a break. And sometimes if I got a really taxing week, I won't even put it on. It's too much. So, but I want you to see the eye here. I want you to see the cat line, okay? And just so you know, don't think about being perfect. This is not about being perfect. You just need to practice. And all I did was go in the line of my eye, the curve of my eye. You don't have to worry about curving the line. It's going to curve because that's your eyes. And I went up too high here, which I have worn them up that high, especially if I have my hair up in a ponytail. But this is the perfect cat eye that you're going for. You know, on a regular basis. This is maybe a dramatic. This is very dramatic. I touch up. Now, once I put my lashes on, I touch up here on the lid, and I just go back and blend and make sure that everything is a-okay. And just get back in here and blend. It's all about blending and making sure everything is good. Okay. And then I just okay. I think that look a little better. Okay. And so this is the eyeshadow tutorial. Now I did the cat eye, that's extra. But I probably, now that I'm thinking about it, I probably shouldn't have done the cat eye or the lashes, but I did do one with the lash and one without the lash so you can see how they look. Now when I put the lashes on, I put it right there on the cat eye line. I got to curl these better than that. But I put it on my and these are hard to curl because they so massive. And then when you get the lash on, you always press into the false lash, press in. Then you're pressing your natural lash into the false lash. Okay, my hands are, okay. And we're not gonna talk about the lash because I'm gonna do a video on just that. So we won't have to worry about doing, you know, the lash today, but look at my eyes. Excuse me, y'all. My phone. Okay, so I'm gonna get my light and see if I can make it bright so y'all can see. See? Hold on, maybe that's too bright. Let's see. If y'all can see that. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, this about to get on my nerves right now. Okay. So, if you can look on my eyes, I'm trying to make it, I hope it's not too bright over here, but I'm trying to let y'all see it. If you can look. See how I blended it in? And that's the side with the lash. And that cat eye went a little too high, but like I said, I've done it high. That's how I started doing it. I started doing it high. When I was practicing, I was doing it high. And then I started doing it low. It's just something you got to practice. And I still feel like I haven't mastered every little thing about that. Because I got some things that I've been thinking about that I want to do on my eyes. But when I get time to practice it, I'll do it. And that's another thing with this being, let me show y'all this eyeliner stick. I wish I had saved the other bottle so you could see it. That's too little for me. Now, some people need this. I don't. I need something like a little bit of just a little bit thicker and larger and more like a pen. Because it gives me, I get a great time. You know, it works great every time. This was so thin that when it, you know, if you know anything about putting on a liner, sometimes it's a shortage. And you may not have enough on that one part, that little area on the stick, and it just starts to, you know, you got a gap. So you got to go back and color it in. I did this one perfectly, you know, but, child, this one is too little for me. And that's another thing with makeup. You'll find the utensils you can use. Some things are too small and too thin, and some people need that, and other people like, nah, give me something else. I made it work. I can work with it because, again, I've been doing this so long, but I bought it, so I'm going to use it, but this is not, I don't really care nothing about it. I might give it to my niece or somebody. I don't know. Or I can just keep it in my bag if I run out of something else. But I'm going to take this lash off. Sorry, y'all, because I'm good. But I just wanted y'all to see the eyeshadow. Ooh, I think I done broke my big dramatic lashes. Oh, well. Well. Sorry about that. I guess y'all going into the trash. Ugh. Oh, my God. Okay. So, yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So that was your tutorial of the eyeshadow. Okay. And you can, you know, like I said, living intentionally. If you really want to get this, you can take like a makeup class. And every time I did take one when I was in Atlanta, I'll take them just to get the updates on what the new thing is and to learn how to do the new thing. Or I'll go, it was Mac that gave me, I wish I still had it, but it's like a color chart of your face. And you actually can use your makeup brushes and make up the paper. But the paper is the woman's face. It's like a face and it has eyes. And you get your colors and start applying them. You know, but you do it on paper to learn the technique. And once you master the technique, but I think MAC does that to show you what colors they put on your eyes and they write on them and all that kind of stuff. But if you can ever find one of those those faces on paper, and you can get a brush and know what correct brush to use where, which will be good. That's a good thing too. The first thing I would say is have the right brushes for the right application. And I mean, let me show you how many brushes I got, Lord Jesus, honey. I mean, I got brushes for you, like straight up. And then if I'm doing my if I got a little bit of contour on the side, I'm hooking it up. But I ain't doing it today. I just wanted to show y'all, like, this is the eyeshadow video. So I got to get better. I'm learning today that I got to get better at doing it and talking. Because, again, when you're used to just getting up and going, you don't have to talk. It's early in the morning. You ain't talking anyway. You just like, you know what I'm saying? You ain't talking. You putting on the makeup. But when you got to talk, it takes away from the stride of what you already know. It's like second nature to me. It's just like if somebody asked me to, you know, I've learned to do it, the talking through, even like if I cook something, but I hate that. So I see why people do the video and then they talk over it sometimes. So I'm going to do what I got to do now, but in the future, I will be talking over these videos. I will just get in and make up my face. And you're going to have to just follow on along, and I will, I'm just going to do the video and talk over it because I can't do it at the same time. That's the only thing I hate about makeup. That's the only thing. Y'all see it? Right there and right there. I just kind of want y'all to get a look. So somebody said they wanted me to do an eyeshadow video. I did it. Tell me if you like it. And give me some suggestions for anything that you want me to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you like this video today. I hope that it helped you. And next time I'm going to, well, in the future, I won't do it next time, but in the future, later, once I get the tools, I'll do the thing where I can talk over the video. Okay? I just want to say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumb up, and tell everyone and anyone that you know about your girl's channel. This is the Lifestyle Trendsetter channel. Lifestyle Trendsetters. We living our best lifers. Trendsetter gang. So yeah, I hope y'all liked it. I'm about to take this off because I don't want no makeup on. But I just thought I would do this real quick. So tell me what you like. Tell me how you like this video. Talk to me about it and let me know. And we can go from there. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And I hope that you have a great week. See you on the next video. Bye.